Good morning, all of you. So, today we will start our next chapter, that is microorganism, friend and foe. So, first of all, you have to know about microorganisms. What are microorganisms? So, those organisms which are so small that they can only be seen through microscope are called microorganism or microbes. Have you seen, if you left a bread for some days, then you see a grayish white patches over there? That grayish patches is because of microorganisms grown in it. Second is microbiology. So the study of those microorganisms is called microbiology. Now the question arises in our mind, where do they live? Where do these microorganisms live? So it can be found in almost any kind of environment. It can be found in hot desert, in polar region also, in salt water, in marshland, inside other organisms. It can survive in volcanoes and volcanoes, sea, and even in vacuum also. Okay. So आजकल आप सुन रहे हैं कोरोना के बारे में. So that is also a microorganism. Okay. Now classification of microorganisms. अब देखिए, there are 5 major group of microorganisms. First is bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi, and viruses. So student, just pause the video and note down all the notes in your notebook also. So the first is bacteria. Bacteria are simple living organisms and are mostly single celled. I told you that human body are multicellular organisms. That is, it is made up of many cells. So the bacteria, they are made up of only one cell, so that they are called single cell tiny organisms. But they live together in a colonies of millions. And bacteria have different shapes. They have a rod shape, that is called bacilli, round or spherical shape, cocci, spiral shape called spirella, and comma shape called vibrio. The second is algae. Algae are a simple plant-like organism which are mostly usually found in aquatic region. They contain a cell wall, and a chlorophyll also, and they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Algae can be unicellular or multicellular, both. Okay, and some of the example of algae are diatoms and seaweed. The third type of microorganism is protozoa. Protozoa is a unicellular microscopic organism and similar to animal, and that can be moved about to capture food and are heterotrophic in nature. Okay, they are also mostly aquatic in nature. And some of the example of protozoa are amoeba, paramecium. These are the example of protozoa. Now the fourth is fungi. So the plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll in it. Note down that they do not contain chlorophyll in it. They are called fungi, and fungi also may be unicellular or multicellular. And they are found in warm and moist places. जो गीली जगह होगी या warm जगह होगी, fungi found there only. Okay, they are also heterotrophic, saprophytic, and parasitic in nature. I told you about heterotrophic, saprophytic, and parasitic in my first chapter. Okay, and some of the example of fungi are yeast, rhizopus, mushroom, and puffballs. They are the example of fungi. Now the last one is viruses, which is most important, and you have already heard about this. Nowadays you are listening about coronavirus, that is also a virus. So viruses are smaller than any known cell. Okay, सबसे छोटा होता है. It can only be seen with electron microscope. And it can reproduce only inside the body of other organisms, which mean they need a host. ज़्यादातर microorganisms सिर्फ अबव से अटैक करते हैं, बट वायरसेस ग्रो इनसाइड द सेल. ओके, समझ में आ रही है आपको बात? तो वायरसेस जो है दे एक्ट लाइक दे नीड ऑलवेज अ होस्ट. Now microorganisms are useful and harmful both. Okay, that's why we called it friend and foe. मतलब friend भी या फिर दुश्मन भी. Okay, तो how they act like a friend? You already heard about some useful microorganisms. Microorganisms are useful in food and beverage industry and in making medicine and vaccine also. It help in agriculture and in cleaning the environment also. So we'll talk about this in detail in my next video. You have to write down these notes in your FAIR notebook and I will provide you worksheet which you have to do that. Okay, thank you.